GATE 2019 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 14. An inflow hydrograph is routed through a reservoir to produce an outflow hydrograph. The peak flow of the inflow hydrograph is Pi and the time of occurrence of the peak is Ti. The peak flow of the outflow hydrograph is Po and the time of occurrence of the peak is To. Which one of the following statements is correct? 4 options are given. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited. Flood routing is a technique to control floods by building of reservoirs. So what a reservoir essentially does is, if this is the discharge and this is the time, so this will be our inflow hydrograph. So essentially what happens to the outflow hydrograph is, there is a attenuation of the peak which can be seen here. So this is the first property of building a reservoir. The peak attenuates for the outflow hydrograph. The second thing is, in between the peaks there will be a delay on the time axis. So giving a inflow hydrograph as the input through a reservoir, the outflow hydrograph, its peak gets attenuated and there is a delay which prevents in causing floods, or at least reducing the intensity of floods as much as possible. So this is the main benefit of building a reservoir. So as we saw in the previous slide, when we build a reservoir for the purpose of flood routing, we can indicate discharge on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. So if this is the inflow hydrograph, the peak is given by Pi and the time is given by Ti for the occurrence of peak. So for this inflow hydrograph, the outflow hydrograph that is formed is somewhat like this. So for the outflow hydrograph, the peak is attenuated, it goes lower, and the time of occurrence of the peak increases to a value of To. So as it can be seen from the diagram, Pi is greater than Po, that is attenuation has happened, and secondly the time of occurrence of the outflow hydrograph's peak will be greater than the time of occurrence for the inflow hydrograph's peak. An inflow outflow hydrograph are given whose peak flow and time of occurrence of the peak is given. So the inflow hydrograph's peak is higher than the outflow hydrograph's peak, and the time of occurrence for the outflow hydrograph's peak will be greater than the inflow hydrograph, which is option C. That is Pi greater than Po and Ti less than To. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited.